Good morning, everyone. This is Ellie from Steve's Homestead Workshop. Today is May 3rd, 2025. The temperature outside is 79 degrees and we're in zone 8B. Today I'm going to show you our animals. We recently got rabbits. I searched around and had a problem finding rabbits, but the ones I did find, they're really cute and I thought you would enjoy seeing them. I'm also going to show you our chickens. But let me get the door open. Hey boys, how you doing? This is Benny, and the other one is Joey. Joey, this one is Joey. Oh, they're still kind of shy. They have occasionally come up to me and touched my arm, but they're not real affectionate yet, and hopefully that'll change. I bought them from a girl at our local flea market. We feed the rabbits Timothy hay, rabbit feed, and fresh greens from the garden. The cabbage, they kind of nibbled on, but they didn't really seem to eat much of it. All right, that's it on the rabbits. Oh, another thing I meant to tell you about the rabbits. We got these water dispensers for the rabbits, and I bought them on Amazon, which I really like. This one, all they have to do is touch this little metal piece on it, and the water comes out when they touch it. Now on to the chickens. The chicken coop is right next door to the rabbit hutch. And these are our girls. We have 8 chickens. We bought them at Tractor Supply. Hey girls. Pretty, pretty girls. Hello. They do have a fan for the inside of the coop. It runs off solar. It's not running today because it's not that hot yet. But this is the inside of the coop. Hello, pretty girl. And I see an egg back there in the corner. We do eat the eggs, and they are delicious. This is the back side of the coop. And this is the front side. We plan on building a run eventually for the girls. We don't let them run free because our other groups of chickens that we had before, we had a lot of problems with predators and we lost quite a few. And it was sad to see. They are right next to Steve's garden, so it's pretty convenient. They get a lot of good greens from the garden. They also get chicken feed, and they get scraps from the kitchen, and sometimes I make them a big pot of beans. But as you can see, the rabbit hutch is right next door to them, so they can see each other, which I think probably makes them feel better, hopefully. right, you guys. Well, that's it for today. Y'all have a good day. I'll talk to you later. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Thank you. Bye-bye.